Welcome to our guide on how to use Google Maps offline. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to navigate even without an internet connection. Before we start, let's go over the requirements. You'll need a device with Google Maps installed and enough storage space to download the maps. To download maps, open your Google Maps app, search for the area you want, and tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Select Download Offline Map. You can download different areas, from a small neighborhood to an entire city. Be mindful of your available storage, as larger areas will require more space. When you're offline, accessing your downloaded maps is easy. Simply open Google Maps, and your maps will be available automatically. Now let's navigate. Set your destination as you usually would, and Google Maps will guide you using the offline data. To manage your offline maps, go to your settings in Google Maps and check which maps are downloaded. You can update or delete them as needed. Here are some quick tips. Always download your maps while connected to Wi-Fi. Check for updates regularly, and save your favorite locations for quick access. If you're having issues, check your storage space and ensure that you've downloaded the maps correctly. Restarting the app can also help resolve minor glitches. In conclusion, using Google Maps offline allows for seamless navigation without data usage or internet connection. It's a great tool for travels. Thanks for watching.